Hi folks, welcome back. This is just a wee quickie. Got some new nozzle bits. So I'm just going to quickly fire these over. Open them up, let's see what we've got. And it's basically a new internal nozzle tip. An external nozzle. As I say, these were the ones that I've been using. They were the ones that came on the machine, and Darren did say to me to sort of change them over, just cleaned them up for the meantime. So I ordered a set off eBay, and they arrived on Saturday, so I'll just have a wee clean up and going to give them a swap over. And then I'm starting with fresh stuff. So that'll be a new drum of wire, new nozzle, new tips, and a new external nozzle. So shouldn't be too far away from getting a result, I hope. I've got to try and remember it's a left hand thread on these internal nozzles. Switch the machine on, just feed a bit of wire out. Just put the collar on. Do it every time. The little rubber guard there. I forget to put it on every time I pull these things apart. Wire it and put the tip on 0.6 to match the 0.6 wire. Get your nip up. There we go. Oh, nice and fresh. It is new. And, I treated myself to another wee thing after watching numerous videos online, and somebody, I can't exactly remember who it was, recommended these nozzles. Two little standoff legs on them, and seemingly when you're doing plug welds they're absolutely ideal because it gives you the exact length that you require, just like that. So again, nothing ventured, nothing gained. Give it a wee look, see how we go. So that's it all cleaned up. As I say, new drum of wire, new nozzle, new internal nozzle, new tip. So we'll leave it at that and see how we go. So just have a wee clean up. Put the extra nozzles, the extra tips in the bag. Put them away in the drawer. And spent a wee bit of time in the garage this afternoon. had a wee chat with Mr. Donaldson, who gave me some very useful tips. I've put some practice together with him, but still not getting much joy, so I think I'm going to need to have another chat with him tomorrow, but I'll put another wee video up later, and hopefully you can see. If you liked the wee video, don't forget, give us a like and a subscribe. Stay safe out there, people. Catch you later. Ta-ra.